Hello student, I am Sangeeta Mansukhani and this is the video number 33, and in this video I will be explain some important compounds of sodium. Some important compounds of sodium. So industrial important compound of sodium, sodium carbonate Na2CO3.10H2O, NaCl, NaOH and NaHCO3. Sodium carbonate, sodium chloride, sodium hydroxide and sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate and also we have say sodium hydrogen carbonate. So let us start. First compound of sodium, sodium carbonate. Yani that is means washing soda. Okay, so first we have to discuss about washing soda. So washing soda formula is Na2CO3.10H2O. Okay, so generally name washing soda and chemical name sodium carbonates. Okay, so prepared by Solvay process. So low solubility of the sodium bicarbonate, so it's get PPT in the reaction of NaCl with ammonium hydrogen carbonate NH4HCO3, ammonium hydrogen carbonate, prepared by passing CO2 to NaCl concentrate solution saturated with ammonia. So first ammonium carbonate form and then after ammonium hydrogen carbonate. Okay, so see the reaction. First ammonia react, this process total is Solvay process. Okay, so first ammonia react with water and CO2, so first form compound ammonium carbonate NH4 whole twice CO3. Then ammonium carbonate react again with water and CO2, so formation ammonium hydrogen carbonate NH4HCO3. This ammonium carbonate, okay, this carbonate ammonium bicarbonate prepared and by passing CO2 to NaCl. Okay, so after form ammonium carbonate after ammonium hydrogen carbonate. Okay, so ammonium hydrogen carbonate, so first water and CO2, so CO2 pass, so ammonium carbonate convert into the ammonium hydrogen carbonate, then ammonium hydrogen carbonate NaCl, so react with NaCl, so ammonium chloride NH4Cl and NHCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate crystal are obtained. Okay, sodium hydrogen carbonate, and these sodium hydrogen carbonate heating, so these crystal decompose into the Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. Okay, so this is the main compound washing soda. Again I say ammonia react with water and CO2, so ammonium carbonate form, and ammonium carbonate CO2 gas pass into the ammonium carbonate, so formation ammonium hydrogen carbonate. Then ammonium hydrogen carbonate react with NaCl, so ammonium chloride NH4 react with Cl and then NaHCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay, and this sodium bicarbonate heating, so sodium carbonate form Na2CO3. So in this process ammonia recovered when ammonium chloride treated with calcium hydroxide. Okay, so again recovered ammonia. Initially we have to use ammonia, so in the last way ammonia again recovered. Reason, because this ammonium chloride form and this ammonium chloride react with calcium hydroxide, so ammonia again form calcium chloride and then water. Okay, so first, second, third and fourth reaction of the preparation of the sodium carbonate. Clear? Ammonia react with water, CO2, ammonium carbonate form, ammonium carbonate react with water and CO2 again, so ammonium hydrogen carbonate form, and ammonium hydrogen carbonate react with NaCl, so ammonium chloride and then sodium hydrogen carbonate crystal are formed. And then sodium hydrogen carbonate crystals heating, so sodium carbonate obtained. Okay, and ammonium recovered whenever ammonium chloride react with calcium hydroxide, so ammonia again recovered. Okay, then properties of the sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate washing soda. Okay, white crystalline solid which exists as a decahydrate, that is means Na2CO3.10H2O, so called washing soda. Okay, soluble in water, then on heating, so loss its water of crystallization and to form monohydrate, that is means Na2CO3 dot 10 H2O. Heat 373.5 Kelvin temperature, so water molecule lows and then single molecule remain Na2CO3 dot H2O, and above 373 Kelvin, so monohydrate convert into the anhydrous and changes to white powder called soda ash. Okay, so monohydrate convert into the anhydrous and changes to white powder called soda ash. Okay, and then Na2CO3 dot H2O. Okay, so 373 Kelvin temperature, so greater 373 Kelvin temperature, so again water molecule, this water molecule also isolate, remove and then loss, so Na2CO3 form. Okay, so white crystalline solid soluble in water, and then on heating water molecule lose, okay, and single sodium carbonate form. Then carbonates part of sodium carbonates gets hydrolyzed by water and to form alkaline solution. Okay, so Na2CO3, which ion? Negative ion, CO3 ion 2 minus carbonate ion, and hydrolyzed with water, so to form alkaline solution, that is means CO3 minus 2 convert into the bicarbonate ion HCO3 minus, and then OH minus form alkaline solution. Okay, so these are 5 properties. Clear? Then uses. First is sodium washing soda. Washing soda used in water softening, laundries and cleaning. Then in manufacture of glass, soap, borax and caustic soda. Then in paper, pens, textile industries, and important laboratory reagent, and used both in qualitative and quantitative analysis. So it is a important main use. Okay. Then next compound is sodium chloride, NaCl. Okay, so most abundant in seawater. You already know about sodium chloride, where found in sea especially. Okay, so most abundant in seawater, contains 2.7 to 2.9% by mass of salt. Okay, and in tropical countries, India, NaCl obtained by evaporation of seawater. Okay, clear? 50 lakh of tons of salt are produced annually in India by solar evaporation. Clear? So by solar evaporation, that is means evaporation process, seawater convert into the salt. Okay, then crude NaCl, that is means obtained by crystallization of brine solution, in which Na2SO4, sodium sulfate, CaSO4, calcium sulfate, CaCl2, calcium chloride, MgCl2, and as a impurities way. So it is known as crude NaCl. So impurities, calcium chloride, magnesium chloride in it. So because they are deliquescent and then absorb moisture easily from atmosphere. Okay, so this is the crude NaCl. So in which contains these impurities: sodium sulfate, calcium chloride and magnesium chloride. So it is known as crude NaCl. So but crude salt dissolved in minimum amount of water. Okay, crude salt dissolved in minimum amount of water and then filtered, then saturated with HCl. Okay, first dissolved in minimum amount of water and then filtered, then saturated with HCl gas. So crystals of pure NaCl obtained. Okay, so crude salt dissolved in minimum amount of water and then filtered, then saturated with HCl. So crystal of pure NaCl obtained. Okay. Then crystals of pure NaCl separate out. Okay, in which properties? CaCl2, calcium chloride, magnesium chloride in crude NaCl. So more soluble than NaCl. So remain insoluble in solution. Okay, and NaCl melts at 1081 Kelvin. Okay, NaCl melts at 1081 Kelvin. So solubility of 36 gram in 100 gram of H2O at 273 Kelvin. And solubility does not increase with increase in temperature. That is means in NaCl, whenever increase the temperature, so soluble solubility does not increase. Okay, and approximately at 273 Kelvin, solubility of 36 gram in 100 gram of water. Okay, then uses NaCl as a common salt, table salt for domestic purpose, and used for preparation of Na2O2, NaOH and Na2CO3. Okay, so sodium chloride used for preparation of sodium oxide, sodium peroxide, and then sodium hydroxide and sodium carbonate. Clear? Third important compound of the sodium, caustic soda. And caustic soda, it is a general name. Its chemical name sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Okay. So sodium hydroxide in Kastner-Kellner cell. In Kastner-Kellner cell, prepared of NaOH commercially by electrolysis of NaCl. So we have to use NaCl and then electrolysis of NaCl. So commercial prepared NaOH in Kastner-Kellner cell. Okay, and then brine solution is electrolyzed using mercury cathode and a carbon anode. Okay, so we have to use two electrode, cathode and anode. And cathode, mercury cathode, and anode we have to take carbon. Okay, and solution which take brine solution. Clear? Cell we have to take Kastner-Kellner cell. Okay, NaCl electrolysis, we take mercury cathode and carbon anode. Okay, so sodium metal discharge at the form sodium amalgam cathode. Okay, so see sodium amalgam, so Na plus electron gain and mercury electrode, so sodium amalgam are formed. Okay, and then at cathode, at anode, chloride and chloride ion loss electron and then convert into the Cl2, half Cl2. So this electron gaining by Na plus and then convert into the sodium amalgam. Okay, clear? Then preparation method. Amalgam, this sodium amalgam react with water to give NaOH and then hydrogen gas. Sodium amalgam react with water, so Na react with OH, so NaOH, and then mercury replace and then hydrogen gas. Okay, this is a simple method. Then properties of sodium hydroxide, caustic soda. White, translucent solid, melts at 590 Kelvin temperature, readily soluble in water to give a strong alkaline solution, then crystal of its deliquescent. Okay, then chemical reaction. Chemical reaction, sodium hydroxide solution at the surface react with CO2 in the atmosphere to form sodium carbonate. Okay, sodium hydroxide solution at the surface react with CO2 in the atmosphere to form sodium carbonate. Okay, uses as a laboratory reagent. Second, in textile industries for mercering the cotton fabrics. Then purification of bauxite, then in petroleum refining, and then fifth, manufacture of soap, paper, silk, chemicals. Okay, so first is as a laboratory lab reagent, caustic soda, NaOH use. In textile industry we have to use in purification of bauxite, in petroleum refining, and then in manufacture of soap, paper, silk, okay, and chemicals. So in which we have to use caustic soda, that is means sodium hydroxide. Then sodium hydrogen carbonate, baking soda, NaHCO3. Baking soda NaHCO3, it is known as baking soda because it is decomposes heated to generate bubbles of CO2. Okay, sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is means NaHCO3. It is a chemical formula. Baking soda, its general formula, and then chemical name is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay, and general name baking soda. So known as baking soda reason it is decomposed and by heating to generate bubbles of CO2, and so reason this It is known as baking soda. So bubbles of CO2 generate living holes in cake like or pastries, so making them light and fluffy. This is the example. Okay, so due to the reason of bubbles of CO2, so living holes. Okay, so it is known as baking soda. So preparation baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate. Preparation saturated solution of Na2CO3 and react with CO2 to form white crystalline powder. Less soluble and get separated easily. Like sodium carbonate, we have to take, react with water and then CO2. So sodium carbonate Na2CO3 convert into the 2NaHCO3. Na2CO3 react with CO2. So to form white crystalline powder 2NaHCO3. Sodium bicarbonate. Otherwise we have to say sodium hydrogen carbonate. Clear? It's used mild antiseptic for skin infection. Antiseptic for skin infection, and then used in fire extinguisher. Okay, mild antiseptic and used in fire and extinguisher. So 4 compound we have to study. First is sodium carbonate. First is sodium carbonate, second one sodium chloride, third is sodium hydroxide, and fourth is sodium hydrogen carbonate. So these 4 important compounds of the sodium. Okay. Then biological importance of the sodium and potassium. So main 2 ions, Na and then K, sodium and potassium. So its biological importance. So we have to study. First, 70 kg main contains about 90 gram Na and 170 gram K. Okay, if weight of human main 70 kg, so 90 gram sodium and then 170 gram potassium. Compared with in iron and copper, compared with in only 5 gram of iron Fe and then 0.06 gram of copper. Okay, 5 gram of Fe iron and then 0.06 gram of copper. Okay, Na plus ion found on outsides of cells located in blood plasma and in interstitial fluid. Okay, and then work of sodium ions. First is participate in transmission of nerve signals, regulate flow of water across cell membrane, and then in transport of sugars and amino acids into cells. Okay, then sodium and potassium similar chemically but differ in quantitatively in their ability to penetrate cell membrane, because in cell membrane importance of the sodium and potassium ion. Okay, so sodium ions found on outsides of the cell are located in blood plasma in interstitial fluid. And then work of sodium ions, what is the work? So participate in transmission of nerve signal and regulate flow of water across cell membrane and in transport of the sugars and amino acids into cells. Then third, sodium and potassium similar chemically but differ in quantitatively in their ability to penetrate cell membrane and in their transport mechanism and activate enzymes. So potassium ion most abundant cations within cell fluids. Okay, and then they activate many enzymes, participate in oxidation of glucose to produce ATP, adenosine triphosphate. So potassium ion most abundant cation within cell fluids and activate many enzymes and participate in oxidation of glucose to produce ATP. Then considerable variation in concentration of sodium and potassium ion and found on the opposite sides of the cell membrane. Example, in blood plasma, sodium is present to the extent of the 143 m mole liter inverse. Okay, and where potassium is 5 m mole liter inverse within RBC, red blood cell. And these concentration change to the 5 ml convert into the these concentration change to the 10 m mole liter inverse sodium and then 105 m mole liter inverse K plus. Okay, this concentration changes. Okay, because sodium ion 143 to convert into the 105 and then potassium 5 to convert into the 10. These ionic gradients demonstrate that a discriminatory mechanism. Okay, these ionic gradients demonstrate that a discriminatory mechanism, it is called sodium potassium pump. Okay, main important is sodium potassium pump. So these ionic gradients demonstrate that a discriminatory mechanism, so called sodium potassium pump, and operate across cell membrane, and which is consumes more than, okay, operates across cell membrane and which is consumed more than 1/3 of the ATP, adenosine triphosphate, used by resting animal, okay, which consumes more than 1/3 of the ATP and used by resting animals, and 15 kg per 24 hour in resting human. Okay, so ATP used by resting animal and 15 kg per 24 hour in resting human. So this is the main important point of biological according. So example, in blood plasma, sodium is present to the extent 143 mM liter inverse, but where potassium is 5 mM liter inverse within RBC. So this concentrate changes to sodium changes to 143 to 10 and then potassium changes 5 to 105. Okay, and these ionic gradients demonstrate that a discriminatory mechanism, so it is called sodium potassium pump, and it is operate across cell membrane. Okay, and which is consumed more than 1/3 of the ATP and used by resting animals, and then 15 kg per 24 hour in resting humans. So group first discussion completed. So group second discussion in the next video. Thank you so much.